In this section, we're going to see how to insert a video directly into one of our web pages. So in this case, we'll stay with the home page. So currently it's looking like this. So it's looking nice and bright and beautiful. So we need to decide where we're going to insert the video. But first we need to go and get a video. So here's a video I was looking at about Thailand beaches. So go and find a video, just do a search within YouTube. Find a video you like, or it could be one of your own videos. Then what you do is you just simply grab the URL. So you see the URL at the top there? I've grabbed that and I'll just simply press Ctrl+C to put that into memory. If I then go back to my website and then I enable the Visual Builder, I can scroll down to where I want to embed the video. So I've got some pictures of Thailand there. So if I scroll down a bit, what I'll do is I'll create a new section underneath here, and I'll just create a regular section. And if I scroll down here, you've got a video option. So if you go and click on that, that's the default sort of sample video if you like. I'll click here to get rid of that, and I want to add a video. Now there's various ways for inserting videos. What you could do is you could actually upload a video to your web server, in which case you could have it basically running as a video just like you see your pictures. But in this case I'm going to insert it from a URL, i.e. YouTube. So if I click here, I just simply put the URL in there. I click on Insert into Post. And there it is. If we scroll down, you know, there are other things you can do. So you can have an overlay if you want to. If you go to design, you've got all the usual things. So you can customize the spacing and the sizing and the borders and what have you. So all the usual effects. We'll just go for a plain simple video, which I think is often the nicest thing. So I'll save my changes. We've got the video there. Maybe it might be nice to have some text above it. So as usual, I shall go directly underneath this, add a new module, add a text module, and I can replace the default text with something like "see what you are missing," and I'll just simply go and center that, and I'll go over here and I'll go and change the size and the weight. So we'll leave the font as it is. We'll make this maybe ultra bold. No, not so much. Go for semi bold like we did before. And if we come down here, let's just increase the text size a bit. So see what you are missing. Save that, and of course we want that to appear above. So all we do is we go down here to this control here and just, whoops, too far. We just drag it up above the video, so that will do. So if I go and exit the Visual Builder, I have to save my changes, so I'll save and exit. So I've now exited the Visual Builder. If I scroll down, this is all the bits and pieces we created before. There we've got our video, we've got testimonials underneath. And if we just simply go and click here, there we have our video. I'll just click there to pause that. Videos add an awful lot to your website, so do think about using videos. In this case, I've used somebody else's videos, which is quite okay legally, because when you upload to YouTube, basically you agree that other people can actually share your videos by embedding them, unless you specifically stop that. So in this case they haven't specifically stopped it, in which case it's quite legal to show other people's videos. In fact, by embedding this video, which belongs to someone else, in my website, I'm actually helping the person who created this, because the fact that I've chosen to embed it in my website will be noted by Google, who own YouTube, and it'll actually help the person who produced and uploaded this video to get sort of better coverage within YouTube itself. So do bear in mind you can use other people's videos. If you are going to use other people's videos, ideally choose one like I did that doesn't have an advert at the top, or right at the front rather, and it's not plastered with ads all the way through, because otherwise it just doesn't look so good. Do bear in mind that if visitors are watching your video, they can watch it like this, or if they were to click here, that would switch over to YouTube, and then they can watch the video within YouTube itself. So I'll just go back to where I was. So as you see, in embedding videos, it couldn't really be easier. So, do use videos. They have a very nice visual impact, and, it just brightens up the entire website.